Imagine a city where dinosaurs just go to work.
T-Rex doesn't hunt, he leads the morning stand-up. Pteranodons? Not a threat, same-day delivery. Welcome to Dinograd, where giant problems meet giant solutions. Rule 1. Herbivores get comfort perks and big salad bars. Carnivores? On diet plans and management tracks. Transit comes in ground, air, and long neck lanes. Shared spaces are scaled up and down. Every species works where it shines. Safety is culture, not just rules. Insurance? Let's just say premiums learned from the Cretaceous. Neighborhoods mix species, not segregate them. Energy is clean and very mobile. Logistics learned to think 3 dimensions. Schools teach empathy and tail awareness. Okay, let's clock in. Raptors make superb surgeons. Precision is their superpower. Brachiosaurus supports imaging, literally. T-Rex excels at leadership rounds. ER triage runs on teamwork, not teeth. Even tiny Compsognathus helps, pediatric comfort buddy. Ankylosaur doubles as safe, steady lift. Dentistry? Herbivores promote plant-based floss. ICU techs optimize airflow with wing-aware vents. Rounds end with empathy and elbow room. Pharmacy scales doses by species, not by era. Oncology ward grows rooftop healing hardens. Health is the heartbeat of Dinograd. Pteranodons reach where trucks can't. Stegosaurus hauls solar tiles like a mobile depot. Smart grid blends scale with finesse. Drone swarms map outages fast. Lightning safety? We train for wings and horns. Night shifts glow with biolume signage. ROG jokes aside, no horns in sockets. Backup power rides on dino microgrids. Air lanes clear for urgent repairs. Another day, another bright fix. Ankylosaurs deliver perfect compaction. Brachiosaurs lift what cranes can't reach. Triceratops masters sight grading. Raptors are the ultimate finishers. Safety choreography keeps tails and beams aligned. Prefab makes mixed-scale housing fast. Green roofs come standard. Quality control is species agnostic. Delivery bays fit wings and wheels. Coffee break. Then, back to the grind. Raptors code fast, merge faster. T-Rex leads with voice, laser pointer, and vision. QA Dilophosaurs spray bug labels metaphorically. Ops runs on tail-safe cable management. Accessibility means multi-height everything. Pair programming crosses species. Pteranodons handle airborne fiber runs. Hackathons require big rooms and bigger snacks. Security is tails down, eyes up.
Latency drops when everyone listens.
Ship it. Dinograd runs on collaboration. Herbivores reinvent salads as architecture. Proud carnivores stick to plant-forward menus.
Street food goes dino scale and human size alike.
Pastry arts favor the long reach.
Finger food jokes never get old.
Sustainability is on the menu.
Hydration stations scale up.
Food brings Dinograd together.
Air patrol reaches scenes in minutes.
Triceratops push, don't ram.
Pachycephalosaurs make safe entry when seconds matter.
Heliperches for winged medevac.
Mounted cams keep everyone accountable.
Disaster drills are multi-species rehearsals.
Search teams mix senses and sightlines.
Safety first means everyone gets home.
Living examples make science click.
Biology gets very hands-on. Tails, too. Physics says, mind the moss.
Not extinction, adaptation.
Coding class pairs humans and raptors early.
Art class studies texture and scale. PE rethinks equipment sizes.
Libraries shelve books high and higher.
Science fairs are enormous.
Curiosity binds Dinograd together.
Then blackout. The city holds its breath.
Air teams launch on instinct. Stegosaurs ferry microgrids panel by panel.
DevOps shift servers to backup.
Ankylosaur keeps cadence for crews.
Click. Dinograd breathes again.
Different species, one city. Strength is doing your part.
Want more stories from Dinograd?
Like, subscribe, and tell us your dino job.